I am thankful for the opportunity to work. I am thankful for my crew, my family, and every day that I get up and breathe.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I am thankful for my kids, my mother, and the wonderful job that I currently have here at Wilton Auto and Tire Center.
I'm thankful for my family, Danielle and Mary Ann, and I'm thankful that I get to work with a bunch of good people.
Happy Thanksgiving. I'm thankful for my lovely wife, my good friends, a job that affords me the lifestyle that I am accustomed to.
This is Mike at Wilton Auto and Tire Center. First of all, the newest thing in my life is my granddaughter Lillian. Very thankful that she was born recently, just 2 weeks ago, and she's very healthy. Secondly, the team here that I've been able to assemble the last couple of years at Wilton Auto and Tire Center. I got a great group of people. It's taken a long time to get a great group of people where I can look at everybody fondly. They care about me, they care about our business here, and that translates directly to you, our great customers, which is what I'm mostly thankful for, is all of you folks out there that have frequented Wilton Auto and Tire Center for 25 years now. It's been a long road, and I'm very thankful to the community of Wilton, Weston, Reading, Richfield, New Canaan, and probably some others out there, but those are the main ones. So I thank you all very much.